I must thank you for completing this training program on the basics of finance and budgets for non-financial individuals. Congratulations! Some people say that finance is a dry subject. Well, it might be dry, but having the basic knowledge in today's highly competitive environment is essential. In fact, with markets becoming saturated, growth rates declining, and intense competition, companies are forced to cut their costs to compete and remain viable. And if you, as a manager or supervisor, are aware of the basics of finance and budgets, you will not only understand why some financial decisions are being taken by the companies, you will also be able to give in some suggestions that can help improve the bottom line. Finance is a vast subject with many technicalities, but I have tried to keep it simple and not to go into too much details and technicalities. Hope this is going to help you in your professional and personal lives both. If you have any questions or queries, please do not hesitate to post them. I will be more than happy to answer them or get the answers for you. If you are interested in further studies on this subject, search Udemy. Now you have the foundation and can look for some advanced courses. If you have not given the quiz, please attempt it now. It is always good to know where you stand and how much you have grasped the subject. Get your certificate of completion now. And if you have liked the program, please rate it and share it in your social circles. Invest in your personal and professional development for growth and prosperity. Find out your strengths and weaknesses. As I say, strengthen your strengths and eliminate or minimize your weaknesses. There are two sides of every individual, personal and professional. They both overlap. Your personality plays a vital role in your profession. Hence, both needs to be nurtured. Learning should be a continuous and conscious process. Happy learning. Don't forget to comment and suggest. I hope to see you in some other training program. Once again, thank you and congratulations. You can download your free book from the link given below in the section 13.